How to activate Simplii Debit Card online. Hi everyone, in this following video I'll be showing you the ways to activate Simplii Debit Card online. In order to activate Simplii Debit Card online, you have to watch this video till the end. First thing first, you know the drill, check your internet connection and then open up a browser. And when you open up a browser, on the web address bar, type in www.simpli.com/bank account. I'll make sure to leave the link on my description box below as well. And when you press on the link, it's going to take you to the official web page, which is going to look something like this. Now, right on this page, you have to do is scroll down a bit, and then you can find this article or link as activate your card. Just go ahead and select that. As you click on activate your card, it's gonna provide you the instructions on what you should be doing, and then you can just go ahead and follow the instructions and accordingly activate your Simplii debit card. So that's how you can activate your debit card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.